This is Bächli's Sustainability Calculator. It shows you the energy consumption of your transformers in terms of the resulting CO2 emissions and electricity cost. It can be used to compare the different types of transformers and helps you pick the most sustainable one. You're wondering why you even need the Sustainability Calculator. It's simple. In 2 easy steps, this calculator shows you how much CO2 emission you produce with your transformer and how much money you spend in electricity bills per year. You want to try it out right now? Then go to www.bächli.com. Choose Sustainability in the menu on the left and then Sustainability Calculator. There you are. Now you can start calculating. First step, enter the desired power of your transformer here. Next, enter the yearly operating hours of your transformer here. And as a last step, choose your preferred transformer type from the drop-down menu here. Now click on Find Out Now to see your result. What can you do with your result? Depending on which transformer type you choose, there will be different CO2 emission values and energy costs. You can compare the different outcomes and figure out your own running costs and your contribution to the environment. That's it. Now you know how easy the Sustainability Calculator works. Try it out yourself.